whenever you get yourself into a situation like this, you have to think to yourself, and this is where that journaling comes back, right? Remember we were talking about the journaling? This would have been a perfect example of journaling. I was in 10 contracts. It barely breathed back. But because of that, it turned into like a 30% loss inside of it. I didn't like it. I exited the position. Literally within 1 minute later or whatever, boom, it took off and I left. You would know from what you wrote down that you shouldn't have been in 10, right? See the difference? Look at the difference of directional change. Now, what else is in here, Pastor? Why did this happen? Do you see this?
Yeah, another rejection.
That's right. So where's it going to go, everybody, if it gets rejected?
Right at that line again. If it get past the rejection?
Yeah, if it can't reject, where's it going to go?
It's going to go up. It's going to have to go back and retest that rejection point.
So if it can't break this rejection, it's going down, right? Now, Pastor, if it can't break this, where's it going?
Well, it's going to bounce back up.
That's right. Do you guys see that? This is a channel. This is where you're trading, right? Do you see it?
Yep.
It's that simple. I need you to think about it that simple. There's your put. If it stays below here, that's your put. If it pops back up, this is your stop. Now, if it breaks and holds in here, this is your channel, right? But does everybody see how this is working? This is that you need to be in this headspace. I don't want you to make it complicated. I want it to be very, very, very simplistic to you, because what happened here was that was a successful trade, right? See where we're at? Keep your stop right above previous wick. See this one? That will help you to stop it. That way, if it decides to pop, bang, guess where I'm going? Because guess where it's going to go, Pastor? We're going back up. If it can break and hold, right? There it goes.
Right back to the rejection point.
Yeah. Like it doesn't, the thing is, we all want to make it very complicated, right? We're human beings want to make everything as complicated as we can. I want to make it as simplistic as we can. If I entered here, which is now a successful trade, my stop is here. Why? Because it went back there before. This is my stop. Now I'm making money. Do you see it, Pastor?
Yep.
We don't want this to be complicated. It does not need to be. But as humans, we want to make it. Well, what's the strike price? Do you care? Well, what about the expiration? Listen.
Doesn't matter. Make money.
Yeah. Get rid of all that. You bought it here. You're going to sell it here. Right? If I paid $1, I want $1.50. That's it. You don't care how you got the $1.50. You knew exactly how to get it from here. Now, right here is your stop. Previous body. You're going to ride this until the previous body is killed, because one of two things are going to happen. You'll break even on this trade, or a new candle will form, which means then you get to move up your stop to the previous body, right? So then you've made from here to here. Yes?
Yep.
That's all you got to do. Now, right here, we can move our stop up. Now, because it was so tight, I'd be about half candle.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. And I've guaranteed I made money. That's it. If you're in the camp of I want to ride it longer, have your stop right here, because you're very small position size, and let's see if it'll do this at some point, right? And then up here, you already know to watch for rejection, and then where's it going to go? Do you see what I'm saying? If you're quick scalping like me, though, every candle, as it moves, I'm in here just like this. So here you go again. You see this? This is what I just talked about, the difference between scalp, 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 or what I said, remember? I said if you bought down here, your stop is here, and you're going to let it ride all day, right? You're way up. You see it? So you're either buying at the channel, you're getting ready to sell up the top, right? Or you're going to see if it'll reject, because you don't have to sell. But if it rejects, if it touches, comes back, bang, that's my sell. And here we go again, right? That's channel. This is channel trading, right? We call it channel surfing, right? We're just riding this out. We're going to ride these waves out. We're going to nail it every time. So something to think about. And I know this is more advanced, and I know we spent a ton of time on it, and I try to do this as much as I can until I lose my voice, but that's it.
Well, Coach, it is advanced, but it is so simplified
Yes.
that it can be understood by the basic level. And so I thank you for that. That's super
Absolutely.
helpful.